1 Orlando Pirates, North Swelele FC. Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So namhlanje ngizokhuluma ama positives nama negatives ale game ade sibuka namhlanje. Okuyi game ade imnandi indlela eyisimanga. Nokuyi game ade ibaluleke kakhulu for iOrlando Pirates. Igame le bafethu, igame le esenze samenca kakhulu ibifana nje ne first leg. Yabo ngasho ukuthi first leg because igame yokuqala siyidlalele eToyota Stadium. It was the same feel. Yabo it was the same feel indlela edlale ngakhona indlela edlale ngakhona. Even igoli esilitholile silithola nje igame isiyophela igoli elilodwa. Igoli elihle by the way eliqhamuke kumbekezeli Mbokazi. What a beautiful goal. What a beautiful goal. Kade sagcina ukubona igoli elihle kanje liqhamuka kwi-defender. The last time ngicina ukubona igoli elihle kanje liqhamuka kwi-defender lo-Orlando Pirates. If you remember iderby sasiyidlala against i-Kaizer Chiefs lapho khona uLebito ekora igoli elihle bafethu ngederby shy grip down. That was the last time ngibone i-Orlando Pirates i-defender lo-Orlando Pirates likora igoli elihle kanje. But ke leli silibonile namhlanje lambekezeli Mbokazi belibaleka kakhulu because lesithathile lasibeka kwi-round elandelayo ye calling knockout. The competition le asikaze sibe nayo inhlanhla yayo but ke umbekezeli Mbokazi ukapteni wethu wanamhlanje ukwazile ukuthi asise phambili akwazi ukuthi sinqobe. Njani imbona nje ucoach lapha emuva mfethu indlela happy ngakhona ucoach. Indlela happy ngakhona ebona leli goal bafethu. So ngizokhuluma bafethu ngendlela iOrlando Pirates approach ngakhona le game le. Sengizokhuluma ngegame iyonkana. The approach of the game le. For me, I think ucoach uwafundile ama mistakes awenza last games dlala naso Swelele judging by i-first lineup afike ngayo. I-first lineup aqhamuke ngayo bafethu angifuni ukuqamba amanga. Nomba ongabona lesa starting lineup lesa. Nomba obebona le starting lineup ungasubheke nje Chain, Mbokazi, Siyema, Hotho, Lebito, Nduli, Nemtajela, Mfukeng, Apolice, Moremi, Mahopa. Nomba angayitshoti le lineup le ingashaya iSwelele mhlambe ngo-4-0 nge-first half. 4-0 or 3-0 nge-first half. But ke asikwazanga ukwenza lokho. The reason why ngisho njalo le lineup le bafethu inswebu kakhulu for igame esoyidlala kwi-cup match against iSwelele. Inswebu kakhulu. If you remember ngegame esasidlala neSwelele kwi-League Cup, not kwi-League Cup, kwi-League match. Kwi-League match lapho khona asifildanga abadlala abantswempu player game. Yabo sasidelela kancane iSwelele sisithathanga serious iSwelele sakwazi ukuthi sidlale against us, sakwazi ukuthi siyimatch iOrlando Pirates. Sayasakora igoli laliqhamuka kuSinapolice lapho khona uSinapolice esuke ebhenchini seyoscore igoli. So kule game le indlela iapproach ngakhona igame ubewazi ukuthi iSwelele kumele asibulale ku-first half. Athi ke iSwelele sifike si-prepared indlela edlale ngakhona iSwelele bese sinikeza inkinga esiswini Orlando Pirates. To be honest namhlanje I didn't see the boys pulling up. I didn't see the boys helping i-defense ukuthi bakwazi ukumaka. Even though abajida badlalile namhlanje with the ball they were very good with the ball, but defensively i-structure besingekho. I didn't see the structure defensively, but ke with the ball we were very good. First half yethu bafethu, first half I saw Mahopa taking the penalty. I don't know maybe mina last season ngizoba wesha ama penalty last season. If I'm not mistaken it was Dion Hotho last season who took penalties. Last game yathathwa uMahopa penalty, yes, playing against the TS Galaxy. But ke kule game bafethu maybe giving others ithuba lokuthi bakore mhlawumbe engayenza sense. I understand we striker he needs to score more goals, but le penalty mfethu. But ke vele penalty lot ushaya ipali umjida. I hope next time uzokwazi ukuthi afunde ama mistakes akhe, angadrop right now, angadrop nje ikhanda after emisele ya penalty nje aqhubeke kanjalo. But ke namhlanje umjida akabanga negame emnandi for me. uMahopa akabanga negame emnandi, even nayo uMabasa bemfakile uMabasa nayo umjida akangilethelanga into engiyithandile namhlanje. Ingakho nje mina lapha kwi lineup prediction yami ngifake baningi, ngifake uMbuthuma kule game le ngokwami. I think it was time to give uMbuthuma ithuba, even though uMbuthuma engajwayele ukudlala, but give uMbuthuma ithuba. I saw Mahopa namhlanje, I saw Mahopa namhlanje shaya i-cross eshayela uMotsepang Moremi, i-cross eshayela uMotsepang Moremi i-cross eboxini. uMahopa ushayela uMotsepang Moremi i-cross eboxini. If you remember the game we played against Iloilo FC, uMbuthuma was always on the box. He was always on the box receiving amabhola. uMahopa watholile amathuba eboxini akawasebenzisanga. But that's a story for another day. Mahopa is one of the best strikers esinaso esikwazi ukudlala, esikwazi ukcreate ama chances for i-team. It's a pity namhlanje akalitholanga igoli, but ke sometimes confuse Mahopa nokuthi ahlale eboxini a receive amabhola uyena ushaya ama cross. But ke ngangitshela ama comments, how do you feel about that? Kwenye into engifuna ukuyi-highlight engiyibone kule game le bafethu, it's about Mfukeng bafethu. I don't know, maybe kumele ahlaliswe phansi, maybe kumele atshelwe about lento le bafethu, lento yongafuna ukukhahlela method ithuba, lento ungafuna ukukhahlela ushaye same time. Yabo lento angafuna ukushaya same time lento angafuna ukushayisa emthatha bafethu angifuna ukuqama yabona ngifukeng mfethu uvela afuna ukushaya ivala mfethu lapha ibhola ulithole early afuna ukushaya ivala afuna ukuphasela umuntu afuna ukushaya ivala afuna ukuphasela umuntu mfukeng unesikhathi sonke thola ibhola same time khahlela we have all the time with you thola ibhola khahlela take the ball and shoot unaso sonke isikhathi but ke umjida uvela afuna ukuphasa aphase masemoshakala ithuba yabo ingakho nje kule season le umfuke ngingenawo amagoli ngingenawo mhlambe ama assist I don't know vele acabanga kakhulu kanti la season umfuke ngibengayenza lento la season if you saw umfuke ngila season abengacabanga ngabili ngibevela athi nje brush mase shaya net brush mase ya shoot hayi lento yokuphasa but ke bajida bafethu overall abajida for me bangidlalelile even though le game le yabona isiyophela not isiyophela phesi yabo lapho ku 60-50 bekungathi siyayiluza igame bengathi siyayiluza indlela besidlala ngakhona isiwelele besiza yabo they were coming very hard but ke into yami issue yami yale game namhlanje bafethu mina ku first lineup yethu yabona ku first lineup esiqale ngayo first half lineup I feel like uAbdeslam Wadu akabanga nawo uplan B I feel like uplan B ushaye kakhulu le game nje sidedela kakhulu kuplan B because ubonile siqale ngaba best players wethu siqale ngawo ama best players kodwa lama best players esiqale ngawo awasebenzelanga first half sesistrugglishile kakhulu because siwelele besi defensive besi rough but ke sikwazile ke thina ukuthi silithole lo goli lelo elikwazile ukusibekela kwi next round elandelayo kodwa nje defensively isiwelele besimnandi kakhulu thina kumele sithole ukuthi yini esingayisebenzisa uma uplan A ungasebenzeli because yabona thina siqahlahle ngokomthetho siqale ngoplan B wethu siqale ngoplan B sijwayele ukushintsha kanje uma usunayikola no Pirates leskima esiqalile isona lesesijwayele ukushintsha ngaso yabo baqale bonke namhlanje oApolice baqale bonke namhlanje oMorim even nomfukeng bebekhona uSipombule I don't really know why uSipombule ehlala ebenchini leyo into ofethu engajwayele engazi ukuthi why vele ehlala ebenchini umjida emuva abajida bebemnandi Siyema eNombokazi another clean sheet by the way sengikhohle ukuyibeka le another clean sheet at the back by the boys Siyema eNombokazi Lebitso is back like he's never left uLebitso bafethu indlela adlala ngakhona cream yabona mfethu uVan Rooyen ngimthanda impela kodwa yabona uLebitso menza izinto ezikanje ungenza ngibe novalo kakhulu ngesikhala sika Van Rooyen lapha kule right back position because indlela adlala ngakhona uyasimenta ukuthi uVan Rooyen noma ebuya abe ne high time ukuthi amlwise kule position ngidinga into kanje bafethu abadlali mebelimala lapha banikezwe ithuba bayibonakalise badlale ngempela bakhombise ukuthi they want to compete for the squad but ke bafethu ungangitshela ama comments wena how do you feel about this game for me it was a nice game yabo sistrugglishile ukustrugglisha akusho ukuthi besibheda ustrugglisha kwasinikeza ama insights on the next upcoming game kuyasinikeza ukuthi okay sistrugglishe la nala asimele sifixe kuphi yabo kumele sifixe la nala njoba sikwazi ukuthi siwina noma singawina noma singaluza but at the end of the day we struggled kule game le kumele silungise lawo maphutha nalawo maphutha kuyangijabulisa ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sistrugglishe khona sizokwazi ukubona amaphutha uvane lo bafethu ungakhohlwa ukuya lapha Instagram ufike uSubscribe ufike lapha usha ufollow ngiyabonga kakhulu for isupport eningiyeze yona ngicela nje ningibhalele ama comments how do you feel about igame namhlanje for me it was a nice game but ke ibina amaphutha lapho nalapho kumele silungise going forward isisethu besingekho mnandi defensively ama forward ethu today I think they let me down but ke uMbokazi came through with the goal esidlulisa next round ngangitshela ama comments uvane